All
Thank you.
right.
I can hear you.
Okay. GMG everyone. I have here with me Logan the Wise and Fabian. They are co-founders of Weavit, and Super Team NG is partnering with Siren AI to do a showcase on our products that we would be both co-incubating and mentoring through the development and capital raising process. So, brief intro about me. I'm the product lead at Super Team NG. I'm the product errand girl, as I'm widely known in our community. Yeah. Fabian, Logan, give a brief intro about yourself and what Weave It is and does.
All right. So, hi everyone. I'm Logan and I'm building with it. With me here is my co-founder Oka, and together we are building a tool that turns complex documentation and code into a clear AI narrated video. So, over to you, Oka.
Same guys, my name is Fabian, a full stack developer, co-founder of Weavit. We are creating a portal for institutions to easily onboard developers and their employees, yeah, without spending huge sums on trainings.
All right, that's amazing. Who wants to go ahead? Which of you wants to go ahead and give a brief intro about what Weave It like? Just basically, okay, no, not a brief intro. Give a very kind of detailed explanation to three profiles. So, like a potential investor, a new user who's familiar with crypto, and somebody who has no idea about crypto or development. So, like those three profiles, how would you explain Weave It to them?
All right. So I've been a developer and educator for about 4 years, and I've joined several cohorts. Like I've trained junior devs and also onboarded new engineers. I've seen firsthand how hard it is to learn from static code or long documentation. And also traditional onboarding is slow, expensive, and often confusing, right? So the experience is that experience is what sparkled with it. We wanted onboarding and technical learning to feel natural. So here is where Weavit comes in. It converts these codes and documentation into AI narrated video tutorials automatically without needing to edit or screen record or just an instant and clear explanation there, which makes onboarding faster and learning smoother and also documentation easier to consume.
Okay, that's a really good explanation for the potential investors. So, but then how do you plan on saying that or speaking on that to a potential developer or a new developer who wants to learn how to basically build apps on Solana, and how you want to explain with it to them?
Okay, yeah. For developers who are coming into the space, most of them would have to go through the bootcamp videos, which are hours and hours, um, of trainings, basically. Yeah, so we seek to shorten that time to minutes, and kickstart them on a very minimal time, you know, from where they are to where they want to be to cut down the journey. So to a developer, it's cutting down the time for his training. Yeah.
So it cuts down development, like basically tutorial hell. It gets you out of tutorial hell a lot quicker, a lot faster,
Yeah.
and yeah. Okay, so the last profile we have up is a user who has no idea about crypto or development as a whole. Like, how would you explain it to them?
Okay. So a user who has no idea about crypto at all is a go-to platform to learn about crypto, basically, because we had this function in the role where we'll have investment platforms like Jupiter and the Jupiter ecosystem, right? So anyone that is asking about how to invest, I want to compound my money. How am I going to do that? We're also going to have some info about protocols, basically. So not just for developers, right? Yeah. So it's going to be Web3 blockchain centric, right? But it's going to be useful to even non-developers. So if non-developers or people who have no idea about Web3 are looking for investment directives and maybe to learn one of the ways to earn in the ecosystems, yeah, we'll have all that information for them.
I think that's great. Do you guys want to share your screen and just give a quick demo of how the platform works from start to finish so that audience can.
All right, yeah. I'm going to do the demo for how to generate the video, and okay, you can just confirm with me if you can see my screen. All right, so we're in private beta test right now. That's why you can see the speed test, yeah. Because having some runners trying to get the app to work super smooth and fast. I will write here demo with Siren, and I'll just paste a code. I should do the video, audio or video. Okay, let's just go with video. I think this should take around 1.5 minutes to generate with the speed we've gotten up to currently. Yeah, there's a lot that we're still working on, basically, like the generating of video load that they're supposed to be loading in percentage, or where this percent close, where this percent close, and all that. Yeah, it's something we are currently fixing, and it just happens we had to be on the call. How long has it taken now? Okay, almost done. Generated video supposed to show soon. Okay. Okay, it's complete. Yeah. So, but basically, this is also be in split seconds.
We begin by exporting an asynchronous
Okay,
function
I don't know
called
if you
fetch
can
user
hear
content,
the
which
sound.
takes a wallet
Yeah, we
address as a
can
All
hear
right,
the audio.
parameter.
perfect. Okay, yeah. So I'll just speak about the video, right? We're supposed to have a scenario, just like maybe you want to explain a ledger, a blockchain ledger to someone who has come to the platform, right? And then you're asking about a blockchain ledger, so it's going to generate um, a narrative, like all three market women have records, and then once each one sells, they all record that. And yeah, so we will not use uh, matchstick illustration of a human or whatever, 2D models, yeah, to explain how this works. So what you're going to be seeing very soon is not code, but like a narrative, and then boxes, and then all those animations trying to visualize the information. Yeah, but yeah, currently this is where we are with the platform, and also you can just get a voiceover instead of a video. Yeah. So please, if there is any other part of the app you would want to see, most of it is just a homepage, and
Yeah, I have a question. So how does this actually interact with like the blockchain? I mean, aside the like obviously the using the AI to create tutorials, like how does it interact with the blockchain itself?
yeah,
How
okay.
does that come in?
All right. Yeah. The utility for the payment, and then for the subscription, basically, yeah, we use the Solana blockchain for subscriptions. And and just in case if that is not enough to you, there is also NCP, where we have unprecedented access to the Solana blockchain, and then I mean knowledge to the Solana blockchain through the NCP. I don't know. Maybe I guess I lost connection. Okay, I can't hear you. I think I can't hear you.
Like assist? How would Cyrene like going to partner with Cyrene to raise capital? How would that assist?
Sorry,
And then
can you come again with me?
I can't hear you.
can you hear me now, Fabian?
Yeah, I guess yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, I was asking how you partnering with the Cyrene AI platform to basically raise capital. How does that work for you? Why did you come to the conclusion that it was the right fit? And then how, like moving forward, post raising capital, what do you intend to do? What is the roadmap looking like, and stuff like that?
Okay,
Okay.
looking to raise capital, right? We'll be having a token utility features whereby we're giving discounted purchases for users who pay with Vivid token at the $10 tier and above, we're getting 30% of credit, right? And also governance for token holders who can vote new features and also suggest improvement and help shape the roadmap. So here is how the roadmap works. So currently we're on private beta, right? And next 30 days, we're looking at upgrading our UI, and for 60 to 90 days, we'll be having an AI video upgrade like that of the 3D style version, the VO3. And beyond that, we'll be having an API access integration and also expanding into a full AI learning infrastructure. So our vision is to build a global AI powered learning infrastructure, one that makes technical knowledge accessible and interactive and also easy to understand for every developers, team, and also companies.
Yeah, and also the reason why Siren AI is the best is it is basically a pipeline for raising funds, basically to scale the idea that we've been building for uh, 2 years now, right? Yeah, so Siren AI is basically the best pipeline to get that funding in and scale and maximize profit and yeah, serve the blockchain and the space.
Okay, that's really amazing. Is there anything else you want to just put forward to the investor community at Serene AI on basically what your product does? Basically, sell the product a bit more.
Uh, oh well, yeah. One thing is, even though we're looking to make money in the sense of revenue and all that, we also want to be very valuable and serve the space at large. Yeah, so most of the steps we'll be taking will be customer centric, basically to make them more comfortable and happy. I think when make customers happy, they're happy to pay. Yeah, that's it from me.
Okay, that's great. Logan, anything from you?
Well, he said it all. That's the plan.
All right. It was great having you guys on. Let me check if there are any questions from the audience. All right, none, 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 none. All right, well done. You guys have been shipping Weavits for since the AI hackathon at the like probably this same time last year, and you guys have come a long way in terms of shipping. So well done. I look forward to seeing what else the team puts out, and yeah, good job, guys. Thanks for coming on stream.
Thank you. Thank you.
Right.